Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the target phone is online and signed into the same Google account. This is how remote reset is authorized. Once done, open Find My Device on your phone or use the Google app. This is where the command originates. Make sure location and internet are active on the target so Google can reach it. If Google prompts for account verification, enter it. This step prevents unauthorized wipes. Now tap the device name to proceed with the remote actions. You choose Erase Device to start the factory wipe. This is the how Google sends a secure command to the phone. Once you confirm, the service will attempt to erase immediately if the device is online. Otherwise, it queues the command and runs it when the phone reconnects. Make sure you understand why. Remote erase removes accounts, apps, and files to protect data if the phone is lost. If backups exist in Google Drive, those can restore settings and apps later. You finish by waiting for the confirmation message. The phone should reboot and land on the setup screen once erased. If the command was queued, make sure the target reconnects to the internet. Using its SIM or Wi-Fi will trigger the queued wipe. If the reset fails, verify the Google account credentials and account recovery settings. Sometimes security blocks require you to remove device from the account first. One key tip: don't stop midway. Ensure the target powers and connects until the erase completes.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.